Hi, I'm Jacob, and just doing a quick unboxing of the SimPure CTO filters for whole house water systems. SimPure does a ton of different water filters. I have a couple of them, and these things are a great value if you have a whole house water filter, or it can also be an under sink. It works for all kinds of brands, not just SimPure. It's a standard 10-inch size filter. They make it with activated coconut shell carbon, surrounded by a PP fabric that is food safe. Has a food safe silicone ring on it, and it filters down to 5 microns, which is a pretty nice size. You can get ones that filter lower, but then you're going to have problems with your water pressure. And so, yeah, this will get out anything bigger than 5 microns and makes your water taste a lot better. And, it's going to depend on your system, but pretty easy. You just pop this into your canister and you're ready to go. They rate it, they say replace this every 3 to 6 months and or 15,000 gallons. It is going to depend on what your water quality is when you want to actually replace these. But these things are a really great value. So yeah, if you need to replace them, just do it. You'll have really nice tasting water. So if you are looking for some nice CTO filters to use in your water filter system, definitely look into these.